Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox beeping sounds when pressing keys. So if you heard some beeping sounds when pressing keys like this, so all you need to do right here is to click on the Roblox icon at the top left corner. Then from here, you will find these options and then go to or click these settings. And on the full screen, you need to turn this off. So you need to click on the arrow button to turn this off. And then try to click on the Roblox icon at the toolbar and try to minimize this app. And once you minimize this application, you need to maximize once more. So click on this icon and then click again to maximize your application. So if you've done this process, you turn off the full screen, then minimize and then maximize once more, you will find that your Roblox beeping sound problem when pressing keys should be fixed. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.